Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Chemistry Accord. This is unit number 6, Kingdom Monera. So let's start. Before starting, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. The first scientist who observed microbe was Leeuwenhoek. Vaccine against anthrax was developed by Louis Pasteur, who also developed process of fermentation. Louis Pasteur was the scientist who has developed the process of fermentation. Germ theory of diseases was given by Robert Koch. The smallest bacterium is Mycoplasma. The largest bacterium is Eublepharisum. The size of bacterium Escherichia coli is 1.1 to 1.5 microns. The rod-shaped bacteria are bacilli. The pair of cocci bacteria in which cell division occurs in one plane is Diplococcus. D. pneumonia is cocci bacteria. The pair of cocci bacterium in which cell division takes place in two planes is tetrad. The pair of cocci bacteria in which cell division takes place in three planes is called Sarcina. A bacterium with single polar flagellum is called Monotrichus. A bacterium without flagella is called Atrichus. A bacterium in which flagellum surrounds is called Lophotrichus. The structure used in the conjugation of bacteria are pili. Flagellum is a locomotory organ of bacterium. Gram-positive cell wall have peptidoglycan about 50%. Gram-negative bacteria have peptidoglycan up to 10%. The thickness of cell wall of gram-negative bacteria is 8 to 11 nanometer. The enzyme for respiratory metabolism in bacteria are present in cell membrane. The plasma membrane and everything present in it is called protoplast. Nucleotides of bacteria are strained with Felgen strain. The extranuclear double-stranded DNA in bacteria are called plasmids. The ribosomes of bacteria are 70S. The structure involved in replication of bacteria are called mesosomes. The resistant structure developed during reproduction of vegetative cells of bacteria is called cyst. The bacteria which use decay matter as food is called saprophytes. In which phase growth of bacteria is rapid? Log phase. In which phase growth of bacteria is equal is stationary phase. Antiseptics is not a sterilization method for controlling bacteria. Hormones and serums are sterilized by filtration. Penicillium is an antibiotic which is also cause allergic reaction. That is why penicillium is not used as antibiotic nowadays. The filaments of cyanobacteria is called trigome. The barrel-shaped cells present in the filament of cyanobacteria are heterocyst. The fragments of the filament of cyanobacteria are called hormogonia. The accessory pigment of cyanobacteria is phycobilenes. The thick wall reproductive cells of cyanobacteria are akinates. Louis Pasteur did not discover vaccine against foot and mouth diseases. The aim of germ plasma theory was to prove the cause of a disease. The smallest bacteria on the earth are Mycoplasma. The largest bacteria on the earth are Eublossium fusarionia. Chemotaxis is a phenomena in which an organism shows response to a chemical. tuft of flagella is present only at one pole of bacterium in case of Lopotrichus. The cell wall of Archaeobacteria does not contain peptidoglycan. The interval of time until the completion of next division is called bacterial generation time. Sexual reproduction in bacteria takes place by exchange of part of DNA. A person eats a drug and becomes deaf. The drug he has eaten is streptomycin. Cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae because they have blue-green pigment. Reserved food material in cyanobacteria is glycogen. The water bloom is a water with a layer of organisms. The super blue-green algae is cyanobacteria, which has nutritional value. That's it for this unit. Please subscribe the channel to get the notification for the next video. Thank you for watching.